Hey YouTube, how's it going? And this is the update. It's been a while since I've done an update on my monetization journey. And so I added some stuff. I'm really trying to add a lot of stuff. I plan on doing some reviews on some other stuff pretty soon. What am I doing in my monetization? Right, today I uploaded a lot of videos. I started streaming live. I started adding some gaming and stuff. So I've added Twitch, and I think I uploaded 3 times to Twitch so far. And then Instagram. I actually started a TikTok account. I swear I never would. Haven't yet uploaded any reels to TikTok yet. Going to start working with Instagram a little bit more. This year, 2025, this is all this online stuff is projected to go up 300%, 300 to 700%. So I made a conscious choice that I'm really gonna try to press in and this year and get the monetization all up. Try to start making money on all the platforms and see how that goes. All right. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start looking at analytics and see what's been going on my channels. All right. So let's start with here with the regular channel. That's this channel right here. And as we can see, we bottomed out because I haven't put anything in here. I was getting some hits and I haven't done anything. I did gain a couple viewers. Watch time very small. And so this is going to be the hardest one, but this is going to be education, right? You know what's amazing is I started this channel in like 2006 or 2008. And if I would have known the power of this, I'd be a millionaire right now, right? So, but I didn't. So, oh well. Right, so there's the analytics there. I'm nowhere near, of course, getting anything done there. It looks like I dropped subscribers, no subscribers, 58 views, and that's what we're doing right there. All right, so the number one hit was my Fox logo. All right, so let's go on to the next one, next channel. We're looking at, this is the music channel. Okay, so for the music channel, it's up a little bit higher. Got 41 views. That's not very high, but it's still growing at least, right? 664 subscribers, 67 views in the last 48 hours, right? So not too bad, but I'm still way behind, right? Plus 4 subscribers this month. Let's go on. Let's look at the health channel, transformation channel, and it's down. Watch time's down, and we got 326 views, 1 subscriber. And that's what we're doing there. Still, my best video is the Rise and Beyond. What was the best video here? Gentech, which is odd because that's a DIY thing, and that has nothing to do with music. But then behind that is the Presonus board and some of the other things. What's number one on this one? Or on this one? Let's look. The logos. People seem to like the logos. All right. Okay, so on my Instagram account, I'm at 2,700 followers and 52 posts. I haven't done anything much there either, but we will be working on that. And then my new Twitch account, I've only got 3 things I uploaded so far. On X, I am running 40 followers on X. All right, so there we go. That is that. All right, so I'm nowhere near monetization yet. If you have any good ideas on what I need to post, or if you have on either one of those, the health topic, health and diet, remember it's fitness, body transformation is the health one, and then music, anything music production, and I've been live streaming some music production stuff there on Twitch and on that, and then also a little bit of gaming on Twitch, Skyrim mainly, and then after that, I am also on this one, we're doing all the education stuff, right? So we're trying to keep track of this year. Number one goal this year is to get monetized and to start making money off this stuff. As you know, I'm a school teacher, but I've been having a lot of back problems, a lot of physical stuff. I need to get something else going. So, all right, so that's what we're doing, and that's what I'm sticking to. All right. If you have any suggestions, one of the things I was looking for good coaching somebody that not these YouTube channels that never really tell you how to do it, right? I need some one-on-one coaching. That's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you later.